Welcome dear students to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to understand sum number 4 of practice set 1.1. I hope children you have seen the earlier videos of the practice set as well as the solved examples. If you have not watched, kindly go and watch these videos to understand the chapter better. I'll put the link of these videos in the description. So the next sum in practice set 1.1, which is the third sum, we have a figure in which sec PS is perpendicular to RQ. This is the question. PS is perpendicular. PS is perpendicular to RQ. Sec QT is perpendicular to PR. QT, this part is perpendicular to QR. RQ is given as 6. This is given as 6. PS is given as 6. And PR, this entire thing, is given as 12. Okay, we have to find QT. Now remember one thing. This triangle PQR, we can take it, this triangle PQR is here. PQR is here. This is a obtuse angle triangle. PQR is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, PQR. When obtuse angle triangle, the height comes outside, right? Here, it is here. So that is why we have PS as the height. Now, if we take PR as the base, now I have drawn the figure here. PR is the base and the PR is here. Then the height will be this. Now, in this PQR, it's a acute angle triangle. Okay, so the height will come inside only. So the shape is something like this. Obtuse angle triangle. If I take it straight instead of upside down, it's like this. And this is Q here and T here. Okay, and this is R and P. So this is how the figure looks. Okay, so we have to take the triangle PQR. Now PQR can have two bases, as I said. PQR can have two bases. One is this base. This is the base and this is the height. Okay, because when you look at the shape, this is more than 90. 90 would have been a straight, but this is more than 90. So this is an obtuse angle. Now when it's an obtuse angle, you have the height outside. Now you have said that this is perpendicular, so this is the height. Now if we take this as the base, then TQ will be the height. Okay, so let's take the first one with base RQ. So in triangle PQR, base is RQ. Okay, base is RQ. Measurement is given as 6. Base is RQ and height is PS. PS is also given as 6. Okay. Now how do you find the area of a triangle? To find the area of a triangle, we are not finding the ratio, we are just finding the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. Half into, what is the base? Base is 6. What is the height? Height is also 6. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So here we got 18. That means we found the area of triangle PQR as 15. So area of triangle PQR, again we will find the area of a triangle with a different height. Okay, area of triangle PQR is 18. In triangle PQR, we are taking this triangle PQR, base is PR, height is QT. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half into, now we are taking this base which is PR into QT. What we have found the area of triangle PQR? We have found it as 18. 18 is equal to half into, how much is PR? PR is 12. 12 into QT, we don't know QT, so we write as it is. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So now I'll just bring it this side. 6 QT is equal to, and you bring 18 this side, it will become 18. Now 6 QT means 6 into QT. Whenever it is multiplication and you change the side, it becomes division. So QT, and we bring 6 down, divide 18 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So the value of QT is 3. This is what the question was. Find the value of QT. To understand the next sum, which is sum number 4 of this exercise, practice set 1.1, watch the next video. Thank you, dear children, and God bless you always.